I consider it as not only a tragedy, but a problematic that it happened in our society where someone was shot.
The trial for the two men charged with first-degree murder in the death of 15-year-old Meriem Boundaoui entered its fourth week on Tuesday. Boundaoui died after being shot in the head in Montreal's Saint-Leonard borough almost 5 years ago. Following the incident, Salim Touabi and Ayman Bouadi, who were both in their mid-20s at the time of the shooting, were charged with first-degree murder and 4 other counts of attempted murder.
In this particular case, we know that it's a question of positioning, who was there, who did what. It's a case of murder that we have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt, without a doubt, that the crime was committed by those people.
On Tuesday morning, 2 witnesses testified about data extracted from a white Mercedes that the Crown alleges was used when the shooting occurred. The Crown asked Patrick Boudreau, an investigator for the Sûreté du Québec, to clarify different timestamps extracted from the car. The defense followed by questioning the investigator about the system possibly producing erroneous data on its hard drive. The Crown then presented a technician for Cellutrack, a company that provided a GPS tracking system on the white Mercedes, who explained that the location of the car would have been produced every 2 minutes whenever possible. The defense then questioned the reliability of this tracking data.
There are many questions that can be raised, and for me have to be raised to make sure that that evidence can be considered, and considered at what level in that necessity of proving without a reasonable doubt that it happened.
An employee from Rogers Communications also testified about text messages from one of their account's phone numbers and how accurate it is to predict the location of a cell phone.
Cellular data is used in many criminal trials and can be challenged in many levels. It will depend on what information are we trying to bring up in front of the court by the cellular data. Is it a question of localization? Is it a question of who transmitted or what was transmitted as information?
On February 7th, 2021, Boundaoui was inside a stopped car with another person when another vehicle pulled up and a suspect or suspects opened fire on them. The Crown has said that Meriem was at the wrong place at the wrong time. The trial is expected to last 10 to 12 weeks.
That event and what we're alleging in this story is legit a problem between 2 persons. First, how did they got a hand on a gun? How did that firearm came in our streets? And how people came to the thought that they could make justice.
In Montreal, Gareth Madoc-Jones, City News.